everyone, Alex here. Now today I want to show you how I would cut a log on the bandsaw. This is a big old no-no on a bandsaw. If it catches that, it's going to roll it right into the blade, and it doesn't matter what you do, you're never going to be able to use that blade properly again. It is going to kink it, bend it, and destroy the blade, and hopefully nothing that's in its path. We've got the miter mill here. Now the miter mill, you'll notice, has the serrated teeth. We can adjust this to the smallest dowel out to the largest. Even though my wife says this isn't a word, it's also angleable. And when you drop that log in there, we want to make sure that it can't touch the bottom. If it can touch the bottom, it's going to be just like it is on the table. So we need to close that up just a little bit there. And now you can see it's not going to touch. When's the last time you were able to cut a log that easy and not worry about it catching, rolling, and pulling everything right into that blade? The worst it can do is pull tighter and tighter into those serrated teeth. Let's say you wanted to make that perfect beer coaster. I'd say that's just about the perfect size. Don't forget to check out your Carter products at your local Woodcraft.